Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. Hosts USA were knocked out of the Copa America tournament on Monday night after losing 1-0 to Uruguay in their final Group C fixture. Mateus Oliveira scored the all-important goal for the Uruguayans in the 66th minute. The Americans needed to win to have any chance of advancing from the group along with Uruguay. Another CONCACAF team, Panama, secured their spot in the next round after beating Bolivia 3-1 in the other group fixture on the night. Jose Fajardo in the 22nd minute, Eduardo Guerrero in the 79th, and Cesar Yanis in time added were the scorers for Panama. The competition continues today with the final set of matches in Group D, including leaders Colombia battling second-place Brazil in the feature match. Another CONCACAF team, Costa Rica, will face off with Paraguay in the other contest. Although on 1 point, Costa Rica could still advance with victory over Paraguay and Brazil losing to Colombia. Now, President of the Jamaica Golf Association, Jody Monbaro, says the JGA is disappointed with the postponement of the Caribbean Amateur Junior Golf Championship slated to run from July 3 to 6 and had the practice run scheduled for today at the Caymanas Golf Club, yesterday. However, she says they were left with no choice, with Jamaica currently under hurricane warning as Hurricane Beryl approaches.
The safety of our participants, our kids and their families, is of the utmost concern, and therefore in consultations with the Caribbean Golf Association, it was decided to postpone the event due to the impending impacts of Hurricane Beryl. We are hopeful that we'll be able to reschedule later on this summer once the after effects of the storm has been assessed.
The newly proposed date for the championship is August 5 to 9. Jamaica's best placing at the Caribbean Amateur Junior Golf Championship came in 2018, finishing second at the same venue. They also finished second a year later in the Bahamas. Now, Cricket West Indies will make a decision on the regional men's under-19 competition in the coming week following the passage of Hurricane Beryl in the Windward Islands. The competition was slated to start tomorrow in St. Vincent and Grenadines, but Director of Cricket Miles Bascom says a decision will be made on the tournament following an assessment of the damage done by the hurricane. Now, Jamaica, who are the defending double champions, are currently in Barbados following the closure of that country's airport on Sunday to facilitate the passage of Hurricane Beryl. Jamaica, Leeward Islands, Guyana and Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados assembled to journey to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Now, only the Windward Islands had assembled in St. Vincent. The Jamaicans were due to face Barbados in their opening game today. Meanwhile, it's understood that Jamaica's under-19 women's cricketers had arrived safely in Trinidad for their regional tournament, which was also set to start today. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Jamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.